Hello, this is Jacob from Kayhan Audio. Today I'm going to be teaching everyone how to download the new wireless CarPlay update application on your units, on your respective units. This tutorial will work on any unit you have, so whether it's a VE Series 2 like this, FGMK1, SZ Territory, VF, anything that we've released so far, this is the method to download the update through. So if you have yourself a wireless CarPlay, all you need to do with the unit is first of all go to the CarPlay app, which is right now AutoKit. Hold on to it, drag it around, and drag it to the bin file. And if you have a different units may have a different version of doing this, so you may hold on to it, drag it to info, delete it like that, however you please. And then you want to make sure that you have your hotspot connected. So what I did was I made sure it's connected. As you can see, it's connecting to my personal hotspot right there, or a Wi-Fi network, anything like that. Now tap onto apps, then go to any browser you have available. We're going to go to Chrome, but you can go to Safari, anything like that you have got going. Then you want to straight away head over to our website at kayhanaudio.com.au. Once you head over there, tap the top left over here. Once you tap the top left, the little sub-menu will come up, and you just want to tap onto downloads. Give it a moment to load. And once you tapped onto downloads, the new wireless CarPlay update will be right here under CarPlay AutoKit wired and wireless 11 of the 3rd 2020. So tap onto that. Tap onto continue to website right at the bottom. Once this menu pops up, give it a moment, and on the right hand side another menu will also pop up, a side menu. Now on the side menu you'll see a little icon there, like a download icon right under the blue marker. Select that and then tap direct download. Once you tap direct download, it will come up at the bottom. You just want to tap OK. Give it a moment. Autoplay box downloaded. It may ask you for a permission later on. You just tap settings, give the permission, then you tap back, and you got permission to download things through the browser. As you can see, it did say downloaded at the bottom for me. So what I want to do is on every unit, you either go to the apps menu and locate file manager. So as you can see, file manager, OS, file explorer, anything like that. Tap onto that, flash or internal storage, whichever one pops up. You want to go there, scroll down to the download section. Once you're in downloads, you'll locate the autoplaybox.apk. Tap onto that, tap install. Give it a moment. And then tap done, and voila, you got your new CarPlay application up and running, which is right here. Give it all the permissions, tap allow, and there, plug in your new CarPlay, or your old CarPlay, whichever one you have, and it'll connect up straight away. Hopefully this has been a little bit of help to you guys. Have yourself a lovely day. Jacob out.